All right, so no fancy intro on this video. So one of the questions that I may have observed on the test was something like this, and I think they wanted you to kind of create the shape these lines form and figure out the area or something like that. So, and I think it's easier than what students were trying to figure out. So let me just kind of create this shape. So I'm going to go up to, let's say, extend. I'm just going to extend these lines here like so, and then trim out the excess gobbledygoo. So then here I've seen some students try to add some dimensions on here and they kind of are looking at this thing, different angles and stuff. So just keep it where it is. So what you want to do here is I'm going to go to Inspect, and then you're going to click on Region Properties. And then you just click on this region here, this inside area, click it. And then you're going to go to Calculate. And that's going to kind of tell you all you need to know right here. So here's the area, here's the perimeter. I think those two things are probably what could be asked about this. So yeah, don't make that harder than it is.